it is me, back again with another glitch / tips and tricks video. And today, I will be showing you just something simple. It's, if you're watching a lot of YouTube, or just other better YouTubers, in my case, you might know that ring around, I'll drop. See, there we go. You might know that ring around the players. It's called it's called visual sound effects. You can actually see like that ring where it shows like gliding. That is called visual sound effects. It is just, in my term, a great feature. It tells if any person is like nearby. So, okay, see this guy? How it's like swimming? Look at this. See that? It actually shows his swimming, and it shows his footsteps. So this can happen through walls as well, and it is very, very good. And I'll be showing you how to enable that. First, let's see if I can get this kill. Hello, friend. You can see that little outer ring. Aw, little friend. Very sorry, Mr. Anonymous Man. But yeah, that little ring, I'll be showing you how to enable that. So you go to settings, and you go all the way down to settings. Go to settings, and there's all this. And you go through all this dialogue, and go to the little sound bars, and you go all the way down over to, yes, here, visual sound effects. This is probably off. This visual sound effects. This is probably off, but you need to turn it on. And then just B, and then B, or whatever your thing is. And then now you have this little ring. And like, see how I'm super, if I go over here, there is no chest, but then if I go, yeah, there's firing over there. If you look at that, there's firing. And if I look over here, there's birds. And if I go over here, then it shows that chesty glow. This works through walls. This is just a very good feature. And yeah, please like and subscribe for more easy to do videos. Thanks for watching.